much going on with Mathew right now in terms of strengthening. It is already a very strong tropical storm with winds at 60 miles per hour, and it's moving at about 18 miles per hour to the west. It was tropical wave 97L, you may remember, over the past few days. But it got itself together earlier today, and the Hurricane Center went ahead and made the call when they found that center of close circulation there. Winds at 60, as I mentioned. Here's the latest track, the 5 p.m. track from the Hurricane Center. Expected to remain a tropical storm for the next couple of days, but could strengthen into a Category 1 hurricane by Friday. And then by the time we get to Saturday and Sunday, making a turn to the north and strengthening possibly into a Category 2 storm as it makes that turn to the north. This is as far as the cone goes now, up through eastern Cuba and into the southern Bahamas here. Florida is not in this cone, but if it continues to move to the north up into the Bahamas, we may be on the edge of a cone as it moves up to the north. So it's something we're going to watch very carefully, but for now, it's still in the eastern Caribbean, and for now, it's still a tropical storm. So we have a long way to go here. We'll have a look at our local forecast and more on Mathew coming up.
Glenn, thanks.